Hello, Anthony here. So, one of the most common questions I'm getting is how much can I earn from ICO Gold Rush and IPIS? Now, as you know, they're both, once you jump in, you get both products. Now, to be upfront with you, I don't know how much you're going to earn, okay, from either ICO Gold Rush or IPIS, okay? Now, there's a couple of reasons why. It could be you buy into it and you buy into the system and you don't take action. So that's one of the first ones. So I don't know if that's going to happen with you. The second one is I don't know if you're going to buy, come in, buy, purchase, and then let it sit there for a week or a month or 6 months and not take any action. I don't know. I mean, I'm not you, okay? I don't know how you think or how much motivation you have. I don't know, okay? And that's fine. All right. Now, I don't know. Also, another reason could be I don't know how much money you have in the first place to invest with. Okay. I mean, I get a lot of questions. People say, "Oh, I got this much." And that's fine. Okay. So for starters, you already got to have that commitment to even purchase it for 1,100. All right, 1,099. Okay. Which then gives you ability to, obviously, if you bring other people in, you get 50%. Okay. So 549.50 every time you bring someone in. Okay. But on top of that, you need to have at least 500 minimum to jump in. Because I don't know, that's the thing, I don't know, when you come in, you might do the ICO Gold Rush side of it, or you might do the IPIS side of it, okay, the passive income system. So I don't know which side you're going to go anyway, for starters. The ICO Gold Rush side of it, there's a few ICOs now coming up. But that's your lump sum money, okay? So you can put in $500, you have $500 worth of ether, jump into an ICO. You might have to wait 1 to 3 months before you can even flip that over. Now, in all honesty, at the moment, ICOs back in November when I started compared to what they are now, we're not seeing those 10 times, 5 times, all right? But at the moment, we're lucky to even get two times. But once you get that 2 times, that's when you want to pull it out, okay? You want to flip that money. Flip that coin, okay, and then get into the next one. Okay, that's for the ICO side. But for your masternode side, the IPIS side, I don't know personally which upgrade you're going to jump into, because there's 2 a week. Okay, now one might be a slower paying one, nice and stable. The other one might be a longer term, a faster, not as stable. Okay, and it can go up and down. I don't know, so I can't give you an exact figure on how much you're going to earn. It comes down to you, your commitment, if you're going to, watch all the videos, if you're going to actually implement everything you've learned from the videos. I mean, I can't control, I'm not there to watch over you. Neither is the other members in the course, all right, in the education suite. What I can show you guys is there's proof, like my post yesterday. So this was a certain upgrade. So obviously it was about 6 weeks ago. I know about 4 weeks. No, this is about 4 months. This is about a month's worth. But you can see the coins. They started. I jumped in, I grabbed the coins, obviously, and then they're returning, and they're still returning. I took some out. I cashed some out. Up here, the 542 of them. Now what's happened is this coin's gone down a little bit, okay, in price. So now I'm actually holding for a couple. I'm trying to build this up. Okay, this is this week's payment. This is this week's rewards here. So 98 rewards. So it's gone down. Now this upgrade has just done a new wallet upgrade today, or overnight. So and the price has gone up. So now it's just a matter of when I feel is the right time to offload it back to BTC. Okay. So some weeks there's different circumstances. It depends how many coin upgrades you're in. Okay. You might have already 10 upgrades, right? There might be a problem with one. Like that week, they might be upgrading a server, they might be upgrading a wallet. So some weeks you might not be able to offload them, okay? Or they block the exchanges have blocked the coin. So there's one that we're all trying to get into now, the best performing upgrade we've had. Everyone's holding so much of this coin, and they're in the exchanges because the exchanges aren't letting you withdraw or deposit at the moment, okay? That's because they're upgrading that whole upgrade, okay? So it's just a waiting game for that one. And this is going to happen. There's going to be little ups and downs and stuff like that, okay? So that's the other reason, right? I don't know what upgrade you're going to get into, what upgrade you're not going to. The idea is you diversify. If you're doing the IPO system, you come in, at least with 500. Just if you only got that much to start with, just do little amounts on each upgrade. Okay, an upgrade is not necessarily 500 at a time, could be $100 at a time. Okay, but I know the boys do try and keep it down, so a seat is only about $100 at a time. Okay, unless it's a certain project or a certain upgrade, it might be 500 for one seat, but obviously it might pay good. Okay, it's just it's a learning experience. The whole thing's a learning experience. You got to think we've only been doing this for about 9 or 10 weeks, so we've had some ups and downs. Okay, and that's all part of the process. But I know it's better. Like in ICOs too, like ICOs all the way up from November all the way up to January, midway through January, we're flipping ICOs like and easy as 3 time, 5 time, some of them 10 time. Okay, people all at different levels. This is the other thing too. All right, this is how I can't really tell you how much you're going to earn each week, or how much you'll earn in a year, or how much you're going to earn in 6 months, because everyone's at different levels, at different amounts of money. Okay, there's people earning 50 a week maybe. There's people maybe earning 50 a day, 100 a day, 100 a week, 500 a day, 500 a week, 1,000 a day, 1,000 a week. Okay, so everyone's at different levels. The main thing is you get in, you take action, you implement, you watch all the videos, and you implement everything you've been taught. Okay, and if you have trouble, we've got support. I mean, there's a lot of it. We've got Discord channel and a Slack channel. Okay, and everyone's there to help. And we also got live support, I think like an hour a day or maybe 2 hours a day if need be, because there is a bit of a technical side to it. But once you start learning it, the wallet part's easy, like downloading wallets or upgrading wallets or whatever you got to do. It gets so much easier as you go. Okay, sometimes there are maybe little situations where we're waiting on instructions from the actual the Discord channel of that actual coin, stuff like that, but it's all good. It's just a patience game, and you just wait for it to happen and then go from there. All I can say is, yeah, there's people earning a lot of decent coin in here. Okay, and there's a lot of people still. So some people obviously come in, went gung-ho, went into a couple they probably shouldn't have, or they might have been a bit more riskier, and they're paying the consequences. Okay, and that's fine, because it's all learning experience. It's what you do after you have failed. It's how you respond. Okay, is how far you're going to get, or if you're going to quit, or whatever you're going to do. Okay, but other than that, guys, that's my video for today. It's the #1 question I'm getting, and I've just given you the best honest answer I can give you. Okay, and to explain the situation. And until I see you again, bye for now.